So in this video, I'm going to talk about finding values that make a matrix invertible. So I'm just going to jump right into the example. So the question is, for what values of k is the matrix invertible? So I have this general matrix, but I have a k here and a k here. So for this example, really like the easiest way to figure that out is to note that you just really need to ensure that the determinant of this does not equal 0, because a matrix where the determinant equals 0 is not invertible. So this is really what we have to ensure. If it doesn't equal 0, then it's invertible and we're good to go. So if I want to take the determinant of this thing, so there's kind of a best place to expand. I either want to expand along this row or this row because there are zeros there. And this is a 3 by 3 matrix, so it's not like a huge deal to have to calculate the determinant. So I'm just going to expand along the first row. So using 1, so you take my 1 here, I cross out all this. So here's the little like subdeterminant that I need to calculate. So here's the first part of my calculation. And then for the 4, so I cross those things out. And so what I'm left with then is this kk0 and 1, kk0 and 1. So here's the next little determinant that I need to calculate. And then for that 0, so 0 times anything is going to be 0. So this last part, I don't even have to like calculate a determinant or anything. Okay, so now let's finish calculating all of this. So if I set up all the work for my determinant, so I assume you know how to find a determinant. So this is the work that I've got here. So this is going to turn into 1 minus 4k minus 4 times k minus 0. And then this plus 0 just drops out. So I just continue on and collect my like terms. So this gives me 1 minus 4k minus 4k. So ultimately, this determinant is 1 minus 8k. So remember, now what are we trying to do that? We need to ensure that 1 minus 8k, just this can't equal 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this equal to 0, and we're going to solve it. So 1 minus 8k equals 0 when k equals 1/8, right? And so then what we notice here is that this value of k, that's the only value that will make this particular equation equal 0. So now we've got all the information that we need. So therefore, k can be any value except for 1/8. And so that would be the idea behind all of that. Okay, so short and sweet video, but hopefully that was helpful. If you found that helpful, I'd love it if you hit that like button or that subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.